AI will bring about the apocalypse and spell the end of humanity. Once AI takes over, humans will become obsolete and irrelevant. Maybe, or AI will solve all of humanity's problems and usher in a utopian era of peace and prosperity. AI will unlock the secrets of the universe and propel us to the stars. You might have heard a lot of hyperbolic statements about AI in the last few years. Those who say the development of AI is moving too fast and poses an existential risk to humanity. People like Eliezer Yudkowsky, who wrote an op-ed in Time magazine last year saying we just need to shut it down by any means necessary, and even call airstrikes on rogue AI data centers. Or the techno-optimists like the Silicon Valley venture capitalist Mark Andreessen, who believe that any deceleration of AI will cost lives, and that there is no upper bound to what we can achieve with the technology. While there's value in considering both views, a balanced approach is key. As business leaders, we must become informed AI advocates, understanding the technology's potential along with its challenges and limitations within our industries. Indeed, we stand on the precipice of a transformative era. AI is no longer a distant promise, but a pervasive technological force shaping and reconceptualizing entire industries and redefining human potential. This new era of AI has ignited a wave of disruption across industries, transforming the way we work, navigate career paths, and even perceive reality. However, such technological advancements raise crucial questions. What are the best practices for deploying AI in my industry? How can I strategically invest in AI to align with business objectives? And how can organizations responsibly leverage AI while addressing regulatory and compliance considerations? Hello, I'm Timothy Owens, Statista Senior Lead Researcher covering technology and telecommunications. I'd like to take you on a bird's-eye journey of the current AI landscape, uncover some of the major AI trends happening right now, then do a deeper dive into the e-commerce, finance, and media and advertising industries, while also exploring the wider potential of AI for enhancing efficiency, driving business growth, and understanding human potential. In the wake of the 2023 AI hype, 2024 is witnessing a surge in global AI adoption, with all signs pointing at even deeper deployment in 2025 and beyond. Buoyed by signs of economic recovery, businesses are turning to digital technologies to adapt and enhance their offerings to remain competitive, leading to a forecasted rise in global IT market revenue from $4.6 trillion in 2024 to $5.5 trillion in 2028. Organizations are realizing that adopting an AI strategy is crucial. By doing so, they will not only outpace competitors in reaping the benefits of AI, but also gain the power to influence how technology adoption unfolds across their industries. The AI market is poised for significant growth, with projections indicating a market value increase from $184 billion in 2024 to $827 billion by 2030. Following a substantial 35% rise in 2023, the market is expected to maintain this momentum with an estimated 32% growth in 2024. So, what's driving this growth? Increased funding, accessibility, and more sophisticated AI systems are enhancing AI's problem-solving capabilities and leading to faster adoption across various industries. Indeed, market interest in AI is growing. Almost 17% of Russell 3000 companies referred to the technology in their earnings calls last year, up from less than 1% in 2015 and just under 10% in 2022. We can see that funding for AI startups worldwide experienced significant growth in 2020 and 2021 during the COVID-19 outbreak, notably in 2021, as remote work and digital solutions became integral to workplaces. Funding dipped in late 2022 due to global market uncertainties like rising interest rates and an economic slowdown, but rebounded in early 2023, fueled by excitement around generative AI and other AI-powered solutions. The US attracted the most AI startup funding in 2023, with 1,151 deals valued at $31 billion, while Europe attracted almost 600 deals and more than $6 billion, and Asia attracted 620 deals and $3.7 billion. The US dominates AI startup deals globally with a 46% share last year. The country possesses key advantages in the race for AI superpower status: a large and diverse talent pool, top-tier AI researchers, and a robust venture capital network. Additionally, the US fosters innovation with a favorable regulatory environment. Meanwhile, global private AI investment reached more than $110 billion in 2023, marking a 20% increase from 2022. The US again led global private AI investments in 2023 at almost $57 billion, more than double that of China. By 2025, global private investment is projected to reach around $160 billion. Industries such as medical and healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and business services received the lion's share of global AI investment in 2022, hinting at where AI adoption may increase in the near to medium term. Now, businesses are increasingly recognizing the potential benefits of AI adoption, which is further accelerating the deployment of AI tools. Our estimates show the number of AI tool users will increase from 314 million worldwide this year to almost 730 million by 2030. But where is AI adoption taking place? A research survey published by McKinsey & Company analyzed AI adoption across industries and functions. In 2023, the highest adoption rates were observed in marketing and sales, product and service development, and service operations in the tech, media, and telecom sectors. When examined at a functional level, AI and generative AI are employed in similar ways across organizations. While traditional AI analyzes data to solve problems and automate tasks, generative AI takes this a step further by creating original content based on what it's learned. The most common functional applications of generative AI are in marketing and sales, product and/or service development, and service operations. Think of traditional AI as a skilled analyst uncovering insights from data. Generative AI is the imaginative writer, artist, or developer who takes those insights and crafts something entirely new and valuable. Therefore, as we'll see, in 2024 and beyond, multimodal generative AI will open up economic opportunities, unlock new forms of creative expression, and enable the creation of highly personalized and engaging products and services. This brings us on to our first major trend, the new AI standards. Indeed, generative AI is rapidly growing and is forecast to reach a value of $356 billion by 2030, comprising up to 43% of the total AI market, up from $36 billion and a 20% share this year. We're also seeing the rise of multimodal AI. Unlike unimodal generative AI, which processes and generates only one type of data, like text, images, or sound, multimodal AI processes and integrates multiple types of data, like text, images, sound, speech, or numbers, all at once. Think of multimodal AI as giving your computer enhanced senses. Instead of simply writing a story about a cat, it could generate an image of the cat playing, add the sound of it purring, and even provide a descriptive caption. This ability to process diverse data types opens up exciting possibilities across various fields. Premium AI models like ChatGPT and Google Gemini already showcase this potential. The shift to multimodal AI represents a significant advancement, empowering AI systems with enhanced reasoning, problem solving, and content generation capabilities that can transform industries and streamline workflows. Let's take a look at a real-world example of generative AI being deployed in the media and advertising industry. AdamEd, a medicine producer, and their agency partner created a fully AI-generated commercial for Maxon Forte, making its mark on Polish national television earlier this year. The campaign explored how AI could enhance the creative advertising process while also emphasizing the continued importance of human expertise in guiding and refining AI's output. Recent examples of multimodal AI models include OpenAI's GPT-4o, Released in May this year, their flagship model has the same high intelligence as GPT-4 Turbo, but is more efficient and has the ability to discuss shared images. GPT-4o's new AI assistant, Sky, sparked widespread discussion and media attention, drawing comparisons to Scarlett Johansson's AI role in the 2013 film Her. Meanwhile, Google announced its latest Gemini Advanced 1.5 Pro multimodal model in May this year, which can analyze and summarize massive amounts of information at once. Gemini is integrated into various Google products and services, such as Google Workspace, Google Messages, YouTube, and Google Search. It also showcased Project Astra, its vision for the future of universal AI assistants, in which AI agents can process multimodal information like video and speech, understand context, and respond naturally in conversation. Claude 3 Opus is Anthropic's most advanced AI model, released in April this year, capable of handling complex tasks and image processing. Its advanced features and vision capabilities help it to excel at reasoning, math, and coding tasks. Meta's Llama 3 is an open-source language model released in April this year. It supports a broad range of use cases with improvements in reasoning, code generation, and instruction, and can be used to create diverse applications from chatbots to AI-powered tools tailored to specific industries. Microsoft's Phi 3 small open models available in Azure AI Studio support developers in building cost-efficient and responsible multimodal generative AI applications suitable for customization and low-latency applications. And Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI-powered assistant integrated into Microsoft 365 applications to enhance productivity by providing contextual suggestions, automating tasks, and improving workflow efficiency. All of these models have the potential to transform AI from merely smart software into expert collaborators and assistants working alongside users. However, these AI models and AI assistants, while useful, have limitations. They can be inaccurate, raise privacy concerns, and may produce bias or inaccurate content due to their training data. So, while generative AI models make creating content faster, we still need human oversight. Now, the release of all these models and products brings us onto the second major trend, the quest for AI dominance and the AI race. For tech giants, AI has become key to unlocking new revenue streams and securing a competitive edge. Creating an AI moat, or a unique sustainable advantage, is a crucial strategic imperative for big tech firms and AI startups. Indeed, with all these models and AI assistants being rolled out, the tech titans are feeling competitive pressure in the race to capture market share. Companies like Google, leveraging its vast search engine dataset, and Meta, utilizing its social graph data for insights, showcase the power of data-driven AI. Microsoft cements its moat with corporate partnerships and data lakes, which saw it become the world's most valuable company earlier this year. Apple prioritizes privacy-centric innovations to reinforce its market position, while NVIDIA's AI-driven technology propels them to the industry forefront, with their specialized GPU chips now widely used for training and running AI models. Both Google and Microsoft are vying for dominance in the AI market, leveraging significant investments and partnerships to drive innovation and product development. In 2023, Google merged its AI research labs, Google Brain and DeepMind, forming Google DeepMind, which later introduced Gemini, its multimodal model aimed to rival OpenAI's ChatGPT. Among its many products is its yet-to-be-released AI video generation model, Veo, which creates high-quality videos from detailed text prompts. Microsoft, meanwhile, boasts strategic partnerships, notably investing $13 billion into OpenAI. This collaboration enhances Microsoft's AI capabilities across various products, including Azure AI and Microsoft 365 Copilot. OpenAI has also created a sophisticated AI video generation model named Sora, also unreleased, which can produce videos up to a minute long by understanding detailed text prompts. Meanwhile, at the Microsoft Surface event in May, the company revealed its vision for AI PCs called Copilot Plus PCs, equipped with specialized hardware and software that puts AI applications at the center. But what about AI unicorns, referring to privately held startups valued at more than $1 billion US? China's ByteDance tops the list, valued at over $225 billion at the end of last year, thanks to its incredibly powerful AI algorithms powering TikTok and its Chinese counterpart Douyin. The US, however, holds 9 out of the top 10 AI unicorn spots, all located in San Francisco and Silicon Valley. This underscores California's robust AI ecosystem, combining tech talent, investment capital, industry demand, and infrastructure, making it a prime hub for AI innovation and growth. However, a slowdown in global funding suggests VCs are prioritizing proven leaders over diversification. This means they're focusing on established players rather than taking a chance on new startups. Though the US dominates, China, Europe, and the Middle East are making strides in AI. But who are the generative AI startups to pay attention to? The ubiquitous OpenAI, led by Sam Altman, Databricks, known for its expertise in data and AI software as a service, Anthropic, with its advanced Claude chatbot and $4 billion in investment from Amazon, and Inflection AI, with its personal AI assistant, Pi. Interestingly, all of these firms are located at ground zero for AI, San Francisco and Silicon Valley. While AI's potential is undeniable, its impact on the workforce raises concerns, particularly in white-collar professions. This leads us to our third major trend, reskilling for the next era. According to the World Economic Forum, while some jobs are expected to disappear between 2023 and 2027 due to automation, even more new ones are expected to be created by AI. To thrive, we need to understand how AI is impacting jobs so that we can help move people from outdated roles of the past to the new roles of the future in order to bridge the talent and skills gap. AI isn't just about robots taking over. It changes what it means to succeed in our careers, and the skills needed for many jobs will transform. We therefore see that cognitive skills will grow in importance due to increasing complexities in the workplace. More than 70% of companies surveyed considered creative and analytical thinking as the skills most expected to rise in importance between 2023 and 2027. In the future jobs market, technological literacy will also be more important, and almost 60% of companies believe there'll be a rise in AI and big data skills. Businesses must prioritize reskilling and upskilling their workforce. By offering accessible training programs and fostering a culture of continuous learning, organizations can empower employees to effectively utilize AI tools and unlock their full potential. Now, let's look at the intersection of AI in the e-commerce, finance, and media and advertising industries. See how they're being disrupted by the technology, uncover some trends, and then talk about best practices. In 2024, the e-commerce industry boasts revenues of $4.5 trillion US. In 2025, almost 3 billion consumers will buy physical goods online, representing 36% of the global population. AI's impact on e-commerce is projected to contribute 1.1%, roughly $31 billion, to the total growth of 14.5% this year alone, underscoring its significant potential. Nearly half of e-commerce businesses have already begun experimenting with AI, with close to 30% having integrated it into their operations in 2023, according to a Salesforce study. So, what are the trends that e-tailers need to pay attention to? 1. Invest in personalized search. E-commerce businesses are utilizing AI-driven personalization to combat choice overload and better understand individual customer preferences. This hyper-personalization strategy, championed by Gen Z, involves round-the-clock chatbots and tailored product recommendations. With high cart abandonment rates and an overwhelming amount of choice in the digital market, hyper-personalization is no longer optional for online retailers. 2. Challenge current operations. E-commerce order fulfillment involves the challenge of optimizing supply chains for fast, efficient deliveries. Data-driven AI enables e-tailers to forecast demand and manage inventory to prevent shortages or overstocks. By analyzing real-time information, AI can optimize delivery routes, ensuring timely deliveries and enhancing the customer experience with live tracking. And 3, combat fraud. The growing threat of e-commerce fraud, which caused nearly $50 billion in losses in 2023, has prompted online retailers to adopt AI-powered solutions. As consumer data collection in e-commerce rises, addressing this concern has become essential. These solutions enhance fraud analytics and detection accuracy to identify anomalies and prevent payment fraud. Additionally, AI can analyze DNS queries to guard against cyber criminals, making it essential for e-commerce security. So, who's leading the way? Alibaba launched Tongqi Chanwen, their version of ChatGPT, integrating it into China's most popular e-commerce sites, Tmall and Taobao. This AI model powers various applications, including an improved customer service chatbot. German online fashion retailer Zalando launched a ChatGPT-powered fashion assistant and a virtual fitting room with 3D avatars for a more personalized shopping experience. And in early 2024, Amazon launched its Fit Insights tool, using AI to provide accurate sizing and product descriptions, reducing returns. Amazon also uses AI to summarize reviews. Now, let's turn to the finance sector, which exhibits one of the highest AI adoption rates across all industries. Forecasts predict a substantial surge in AI spending within the financial services sector, which is expected to rise from $35 billion in 2023 to $97 billion by 2027. Major banks like Capital One, JP Morgan Chase, and the Royal Bank of Canada are leading in AI adoption. Their investments in AI demonstrate the industry's readiness to thrive in an AI-powered future. So, what are the trends to pay attention to in the sector? 1. AI investment in financial services is soaring, with over $45 billion expected in 2024. Particularly noteworthy is the dominance of the banking segment in these investments. In 2024, banking alone accounts for nearly $27 billion, representing almost 60% of the entire financial services industry's spending. This trend is expected to continue at a similar rate through 2027, with banking expected to account for more than $57 billion. 2. In 2023, while traditional AI applications dominated the financial landscape, a significant shift was in progress. Over 40% of financial institutions had already embraced generative AI, with more exploration underway among industry leaders. In this era of hyper-personalization, generative AI offers a wide array of applications, including optimizing financial document analysis, streamlining capital markets research, navigating regulatory changes, and providing personalized financial recommendations based on individual data and market trends. And 3, banks are struggling to hire and keep AI experts due to high demand. A 2023 study by Amazon Web Services found that 75% of companies that were prioritizing AI specialists struggled to fill roles. This is a major obstacle for banks trying to use AI, with 32% of financial institutions identifying this as a top challenge. Some banks are partnering with AI chatbot developers to gain AI capabilities, and the demand for AI talent is expected to increase with the rise of generative AI. So, who's leading the way in the finance sector? Wells Fargo, one of the world's largest banks, uses Google's conversational AI to enhance its virtual assistant, Fargo. Fargo helps customers easily manage their accounts and finances through simple conversations. Meanwhile, Spanish financial services firm Banco Santander deploys an AI tool, Kairos, which analyzes economic data to predict events impacting corporate clients, helping employees make better investment decisions. Kairos also maps multinationals and their subsidiaries, identifying sales opportunities and optimizing product placement. Now, let's look at the intersection of AI in marketing and advertising. Total advertising spend worldwide is forecast to surpass $1 trillion in 2024 and reach almost $1.4 trillion by 2029. In 2024, online formats account for nearly 70% of this spend, with segments like search, display advertising, and influencer marketing experiencing the fastest growth. Moreover, AI is forecast to contribute 2.2% to the sector's total market growth in 2024, or almost $24 billion. AI holds significant potential to transform the digital advertising industry, offering a wide array of use cases including campaign optimization, ad effectiveness, and enhanced efficiency, especially in content creation. So, what are the trends to pay attention to in the industry? Trend 1 is a new way that customers search for information. Younger audiences are increasingly turning away from traditional search engines, favoring organic discovery on social media, retail platforms, and AI-powered tools like ChatGPT. Major search engines are rapidly adopting these trends. Microsoft has integrated AI into search via Copilot and Bing, and Google is rolling out AI-powered search called AI Overviews in a big change to its business model. The future for brands and advertisers depends on going beyond simple search results. Success depends on conversational approaches, personalized experiences, and adapting to the new ways that people interact with information online. Now, have you heard of Michaela? Let's look at trend 2. Imagine working with an influencer who's consistently flawless, never falters, and perfectly aligns with your brand's message. Well, AI influencers are already here, and they're set to surge in popularity in the coming years. Take Michaela, for example, one of the most popular virtual influencers with over 2.6 million Instagram followers. Partnering with leading brands such as Calvin Klein and B&W Group, Michaela reportedly earns around $8,000 per sponsored post. And trend 3 is one-to-one real-time marketing. In today's crowded market, basic personalization just isn't enough. Companies need to take it to the next level with hyper-personalization. Imagine using AI to analyze customer data in real time. This allows you to understand your audience's behavior and preferences like never before. It's no wonder that 60% of businesses cite predicting customer needs as their top reason for using AI. Hyper-personalization with AI data-driven insights allows you to target the right message to the right person at the right time, making your marketing efforts more effective and even anticipating your customers' needs ahead of time. So who's leading the way? Netflix leverages AI to study viewer behavior deeply, including watch history and ratings. This translates into hyper-personalized recommendations and even a customized homepage. Meta's AI Sandbox helps advertisers quickly test new AI-powered tools by enabling them to create highly tailored ad variations and analyze their performance. And British advertising firm WPP and American chipmakers NVIDIA are developing a content engine that leverages AI for digital advertising. This allows marketers to produce hyper-personalized, high-quality content like commercials faster and at a larger scale. While it's difficult to predict exactly what's in store for AI, all signs are pointing to widespread adoption, with businesses and consumers delving deeper into AI experimentation. So, what are the key takeaways that you need to keep in mind? First, it's time to embrace AI. Invest in and develop AI tools that suit your business and use AI-powered solutions like virtual assistants or recommendations to improve operations and customer experience. Allocate resources to explore and develop generative and multimodal AI solutions tailored to your industry's needs. Second, foster AI partnerships and skills. Collaborate with AI startups, big tech companies, or hardware manufacturers to get the resources needed for AI development. Strategically invest in emerging AI companies or technologies that complement your business objectives, and future-proof your teams by investing in training programs to bridge the talent gap by training them on the necessary AI tools. And third, prioritize data accessibility and compliance. AI helps you understand customers, but be careful how you collect their information. Compliance with diverse and changing AI regulations is crucial for maintaining customer trust. And while AI makes creating content faster, you still need humans in charge. AI can accidentally produce harmful content, so it's your job to check its work and protect your brand's reputation. In closing, the rise of AI is undeniable, and its integration is no longer a choice, but a necessity for industries to thrive. But it's important to leverage AI's creativity alongside human expertise in strategy, empathy, and critical thinking. Crucially, AI is our creative collaborator, not our replacement. Thank you all for joining me. This webinar is supported by our latest white paper, AI Trends and Predictions Roadmap to 2025, which delves deeper into this topic. You can find a link in the chat or the video description. If you're watching the recorded version of this webinar via our platform or social media, thank you for watching.